Important issues to consider are, one, if it is your vehicle and they find pills, then the question's going to hinge on not just your ownership of the vehicle, but also what they can prove that you actually possess. And like any case, there's lots of factors that go into it in terms of where the pills were found, if there's a prescription for these pills, do you have a prescription for these pills? If you don't, why are they in your car? If the car is not yours and the officer finds pills, you can tell him that it's not your vehicle, so you don't know what's in that vehicle because it's not yours. So even though you have no standing to object to any type of a search, at least you can justify that these are not your items because it's not your vehicle. If the police find pills in your car and they're not yours, obviously the first thing you want to do is deny ownership. They're going to want to investigate that further, and you may be put in a position where you have to explain how they may have gotten there, whose they belong to. Every case is different. It's not uncommon for perhaps you have a family member that had a prescription and they had the pills with them, they borrowed the car, and then they left and they forgot the pill bottle in the car. The other thing you have to consider is, why were you stopped to begin with? What were the circumstances that led the police to coming into contact with you? All of those kinds of facts come into play. The first thing you want to do, though, is definitely let the police officer know if they're not yours. Immediately let them know that they aren't your pills.